Unit 5 review, problem number 5. We use the following formula to compute the slope in the y-intercept for a regression line. I'm also going to add a third part C to write the equation of the regression line. So for part A, first thing we're going to do is find the slope. So that is R is given to us up here. That's the R. And the standard error in the x direction is given right here. And then in the y direction. Sorry. X direction, the y direction on the numerator. So that's this one. And then the x direction in the denominator. There we go. Okay, so now I just plug and chug. So let's see here. We got the R is not a highlighter, sorry. .819 and SY is 11.64. All of that divided by S of x, which is in the yellow, 3.83. Now I need to get my handy dandy calculator out. Okay, so we're going to do the numerator first, so that's 0.819 times 11.64 in the numerator. Hit enter, because that fraction bar works like a grouping symbol, so hit enter first. And then divide by 3.83. And I get 2.489. For the slope. Okay, the y-intercept, now I have the slope, so I'm going to plug that in for this m here. And I have x bar and y bar given to me in the table. So let's see what we have here. So we'll put x bar in purple. Slope is the thing we found up here. So that's going to be this. And the y bar, that's the median y, we'll do in orange. So then I'm just going to plug and chug. So I get B equals the y bar, which is 82.55 minus m, the slope, and that was 2.489 times x bar, or the average in the mean of x, which is 19.18. And when I get my calculator out, I want to make sure that I do follow the order of operations. So do the multiplication first. So do this first. So that's 2.489 times 19.18. And I get 47.73. So I'm going to replace this with 73902. And I'm going to subtract that from the 82.55. So clear this calculator and now do 82.55 minus the product that I got in the previous part. Okay, and then I get, for the y-intercept, I get 34.81098, and I can round that up to, let's see. Okay, so it says round to the nearest hundredths place, so I actually need to fix that slope too. So the slope intercept should be 34.81. And on this note of hundredths place, I'm going to round this one to the hundredths place, so I'll change this one actually to 2, rounding that to the hundredths place. The 9 bumps up the 8, so I get 2.49. So for part C, I want to write the equation y equals mx plus b. Okay, so y equals mx plus b, I'm going to do it up here. So we found m, the slope is 2.49. And the b is the intercept. And then the x and the y are just rewritten as variables. So I get y equals, plug in the slope, and plug in the y-intercept. So I get y equals 2.49x plus 34.81.